Hey guys! Today I'm showing you how to make these cute and easy test tube bud vases. These make a great addition to any decor and you can fill with fake flowers like me or real ones. For this project you need scrap pieces of 2x2, test tubes, drill bits, stain or paint of your choice, a power drill, a glue gun, and a miter saw. This is an easy and quick project, so let's get started. Start by measuring and marking 1.5 inches on the 2x2. This is where we will cut to make a cube later. Then measure the center of the cube, which is basically 3.25 inches from both sides. Use that point to start a hole using a small drill bit followed by a 7/8 inch drill bit. Once the large hole is cut out, take it over to the miter saw and cut on the line we had marked for the cube. Sand any rough edges of the cube. At this point, you can stain or paint them in any color you like. I will add a link to the one I used in the description below. Once the cube is dry, add a small bead of hot glue on the test tube about 2 inches down and place it in the cube. This will keep the test tube in place and won't fall. Attach the cubes using removable mounting strips on the wall. I added these to my small guest bathroom. They looked perfect over there with my floating ladder shelf and all the other updates I made. That's it. It's a simple, pretty decor idea. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to hit subscribe. And now, here are a few other quick, easy project ideas.